Okay, this is video for showing off my basic quote-unquote analog movement for Super Mario 64DS using the Steam controller's mouse region. Okay, hooking this up, holding down the left click button, and there you go. It moves basically like an analog stick. It goes in a circle, and basic movements like moving Yoshi a little bit forward does make him walk a little bit forward, and pulling forward makes him run. Meaning you don't need a run button anymore just to use, well, running. It performs more accurately to how it did in 64. Instead of needing to hold on the run button, you'll just run if you pull into that. Or you can just do smaller adjustments. Okay, sometimes it goes weird, where it just kind of stops. But yeah, this is base. Don't mean to do that. Walk away. But yeah, this is basic quote-unquote analog movement for 64DS. And I have to say, it works pretty fine, seeing as it basically provides you for a thing to use the thing for. It honestly works pretty well for what it provides. You can basically get analog movement instead of using D-pad's 8 buttons. You get the entire full capacity of the touch screen, which works better than just normal things. Isn't that right, Toad? Yeah, but this is honestly possibly the best way to play Super Mario 64DS, with practical analog movement. Instead of mapping the analog stick to the D-pad, you map the analog stick to the touchpad, which is basically as close as you can get to analog movement as possible. I'm not sure if they act differently, or if you can make turns better using the touchscreen instead of using analog stick to the D-pad, but it probably works better. So I'm just gonna go with the fact that I'm just gonna go with, oh, it works better, because I'm pretty sure that it does. And honestly, would you just not want to use this over mapping the analog stick to the D-pad? It basically maps all your movements, and you don't need to hold that Y button to run anymore, which is honestly the greatest thing to ever be invented. But yeah, this is probably the best way, and I'll probably upload this Steam controller configuration, and I'm pretty sure you can map that Steam configuration to like the X input controller, and that's pretty neat. Sometimes it doesn't snap back to the beginning, but you can fix that using the snapback mouse function and putting the very center of it on the very center. But yeah, this works pretty well, I guess.